Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper on Saturday, May the 7th, 2022. No, it's the edition of Wednesday, May the 4th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2 stars Sudoku. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be a number, I believe a number 4520. Yes, 4520. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 22 printed digits. Should be an easy one because for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. Single box always a 1. Do we have dual boxes here? Dual boxes. Can't see any dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes? Here, no triple boxes here. Quadra box, I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, and other digits could be everywhere. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the Z or the S construction or shape or figure, yeah, whatever you name it. Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see the S or Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Okay. Do we have only one shape? Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape, we see this kind of shape. Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. More? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more of this kind of shape? Yeah, upside down. This box has the same number as that box, so in this case it's a 4. It's already filled in. Okay, more, no. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one L shape. Yeah, only one L shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Alright. I mean, see this kind of shape? This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape or figures? Construction, structure, here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this puzzle, maximum is 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, you have to know, you need to know those figures or shapes. Why you need to recognize? Well, then the following step. Then it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be 4. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there, because if I place the 4 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 there, so it's not a solution to place the 4 there. The 4 is supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2. 1 and a 2. And this box is also connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 2. But we already have a 2 here in this area. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. We have a pair here, the 1 and a 2. Now we have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 3. So the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3. Alright. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Oh, overlook this one. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. This box cannot be a 5, but also that box cannot be a 5. Look, we already have a 5 here. If I place a 5 here, This box should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here. So this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be here 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 3. Okay. Then. Let me see. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be a no. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be a 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 and the 3. That means wait. Okay, let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked this box with a 2 and a 5. So it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. This box can be a 4. This box can be a 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. All right. We go up. Let me see. Okay, where's the opening? These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore. Because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not true to place the 1 there. The 1 should be here. Okay, this box cannot be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there and double 3 there. So the 2 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Okay. This box cannot be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, a double 3 there, but also it can be a 4. So 1 digit left in this Quadra box for number 1. Okay. Then wait. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Where's the opening? 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. I need a 3 here. 3 here can. 3 and the 2 I need. Am I stuck? Oh, overlooked. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. 1 digit left in this Quadra area for the number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Then 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4. Overlook this 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Overlooked. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, a little bit slower than I expected, because I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And tomorrow on Sunday we have no newspaper, so I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Tuesday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.